If you are tired of spending weeks trying to create a digital product, you are probably one breakdown away from yelling at your laptop. Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery claims it can hand you a ready-made AI automation course, complete with PLR, without learning code or writing a single lesson. Let's see if it actually delivers or if your laptop should prepare for impact. Hey, Kamal here from TestedOps.com, 6 years deep in affiliate marketing, SEO, and testing more software than my PC can handle. I've seen shiny tools, scary tools, and tools that promise to make you rich while you nap. Today, we are looking at Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR, and we are going to keep it honest, simple, and fluff-free. Quick heads up, if you decide this is for you, grab it through my link below. You'll unlock my exclusive bonuses that help you sell PLR faster, build funnels quicker, and get traction even if you are brand new. Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery is a complete PLR course built around Replit's newest AI agent. It is designed for creators, freelancers, beginners, and anyone who wants to tap into the automation boom. Core promise? You get a done-for-you training program that teaches people how to build apps, automate tasks, generate code, and create income streams using Replit Agent 3, all without technical skills. You can rebrand it, resell it, and keep every cent. Here's the workflow in 3 simple steps. Step 1, download the product. It is easier than installing those apps that ask for 10 permissions in your blood type. Step 2, rebrand it. Add your name, your logo, your messaging, no PhD or graphic design wizardry needed. Step 3, upload and sell. Your new course goes live. Boom! You now look like an AI automation expert without spending months building everything manually. That's the entire model. Here's what actually moves the needle in this PLR package. First, the 5-part video training series. It teaches real AI workflows using Replit Agent 3, so your buyers get genuine value, not recycled fluff. Second, the 121-page training guide. This is the backbone of the course. It walks people through app building, automation strategies, income frameworks, and workflow engineering. Very beginner-friendly, which means fewer refund requests. Third, the marketing pack. Sales page, email swipes, graphics, banners, the whole kit. This saves you hours and hours. Instead of crying over a blank sales page, you get a plug-and-play funnel. Fourth, the bonuses. Cheat sheets, mind maps, resource lists. These make your offer feel complete and premium. The end result, you get a product that is ready to launch today, not next month. The front end is only $12.95. That's one pizza. And unlike pizza, this will not ruin your diet or disappear in 10 minutes. Compare that to hiring a course creator, easily $800 to $2,000. A designer, another $300 at least. A sales copywriter, prepare your wallet. Here, you get everything done for you. One-time fee, no monthly cost. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Attention marketers, digital entrepreneurs, and action takers. What if you could tap into one of the fastest growing AI income opportunities? Own the product that teaches it, and keep 100% of every sale you make, because starting today, you can. We're living in a time where AI isn't just a trend, it's a cash machine powering businesses, automating entire workflows, and creating brand new income streams every single day. And right now, one AI tool is quietly exploding in demand. Replit Agent 3, the AI that builds, codes, automates, and executes tasks like a digital employee. But here's the problem. Most people have no idea how to use Replit Agent 3 to make money. Most people are intimidated by automation. And most people are completely unprepared to profit from this massive shift. That's where you come in. Because today, you get the opportunity to step in as the expert, own the product, sell the product, and keep all the profits. Introducing Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR. Your complete income-ready system that teaches people how to use Replit Agent 3 to create simple digital income streams and gives you full private label rights so you can rebrand it as your own. Resell it as many times as you want. Keep 100% of every sale. Build a passive digital empire with ease. Here's what you get inside Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR. 5 high-quality training videos. Easy to follow, beginner-friendly videos showing exactly how to use Replit Agent 3 to build tools, automate tasks, and earn online. Complete step-by-step training guide. A full blueprint teaching real income methods with AI agents, digital products, automation services, microtasks, and more. 5 audio versions. Perfect for listening on the go. 5 raw video files. Fully editable so you can customize the course in your own brand style. 5 expert presentation slides, PPT. Use these for webinars, coaching, workshops, or your own digital classes. All marketing materials done for you. High converting sales copy. Ready to use customer sales video. Professional graphics. Animated banners. Email swipes. Stunning mini site. Legal pages. Social media graphics. PDF graphics. Chapter images. And because we reward fast, smart action takers, you'll also receive Fast Action Bonus Number 1 Cheat Sheet. Instant steps summarizing the entire training for quick implementation. Fast Action Bonus Number 2 Mind Map. A visual breakdown that helps you and your customers understand the whole course in seconds. Fast Action Bonus Number 3 Top Resources Report. A list of the best AI tools, platforms, and automation resources to stay ahead of your competition. With Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery with PLR, you can build your authority as an AI expert, sell a premium course without creating anything, offer high-demand AI training in a booming niche, create passive income streams 24/7. Start earning today, not next month. This is more than just a product. It's a ready-made income system, fully packaged, fully done, fully yours. All you have to do is download, rebrand, upload, get paid. That's it. The AI gold rush is happening right now. People are desperate to learn AI tools. Businesses are searching for automation training and digital buyers are spending more money than ever. This is your chance to position yourself as the seller, not the buyer. So don't wait. Take action now. Unlock your PLR license. And start selling Replit Agent 3 Income Mastery today. Because the people who master AI today will become the digital leaders of tomorrow. Click the button now and get instant access. Your AI-powered income future starts the moment you do.
Here's the full funnel. OTO1 is $37, more PLR content and additional resources. Good if you want a bigger product line. Downsell for OTO1 brings it to $32.95. OTO2 is $11.95, another small but useful upgrade. OTO3 is $37 again, another expanded PLR offer for scaling your content library. Downsell for OTO3 is $32.95. Then you have a membership trial, $1 to test it, then $27 per month for new PLR drops. At the top, there is a premium done-for-you product creation service at around $3,000, great for agencies or anyone who wants a fully built product brand. You can pick what fits your goals. None are required, but some add serious value. I ran this package through my usual torture test. I checked the video quality, the scripts, the training depth, and the sales funnel assets. No missing pieces, no random broken files, nothing that crashes your PC like it is hosting NASA. It's solid. As a marketer who has launched many PLR offers, the structure here is strong, clean, and ready for traffic. This is not a magic ATM. If you expect money to fall from the sky without effort, this is not for you. You will still need to upload the content, brand it, and promote it. It also is not ideal for people who dislike PLR or refuse to customize. If you want a push-button miracle, keep scrolling. Picture this. Instead of spending months building a course, you launch one today. Instead of struggling with AI concepts, you offer a clean, structured program. Instead of waiting to enter the AI space, you position yourself as an authority right now. That is what this PLR package unlocks, and the launch pricing will not stay forever. Link is below. Questions? Drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more honest reviews and marketing tools that actually work. This is Kamal from TestedOps.com. See you in the next one.